Hi guys, welcome to the free automation learning. My name is Chirag Singh. So guys, this video is also a continuous video from our series. We were discussing in last video about the basic concept of Java. We have already discussed some concept like object, class, method, constructor, interface, and abstract class, abstract method like. So today we are going to create a small test scripts of the Selenium WebDriver by using Selenium WebDriver 2. And firstly we will work on Selenium WebDriver 2, then we will switch to Selenium WebDriver 3, right? And I will explain one by one, step by step, how is the Selenium WebDriver work, and also correlate the concept which I already discussed with you: object, method, constructor, interface, and why I explained that concept, and how is Selenium WebDriver using those Java concepts, right? So what is a Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver is an API which is used to automate web-based application. So by using Selenium WebDriver we can automate only a web-based application. We are not able to automate window-based application. Yes, we can handle some window pop-ups by some external tool which are known as securely and auto IT. By using third external tool we can handle this, but Selenium WebDriver only work on the web-based application. Selenium WebDriver supports many language. It can support Java, C#, Python, Ruby, PHP, Perl, JavaScript, which make very powerful for the Selenium WebDriver, because it supports many language and many browser. It can support Firefox, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Safari, all the browser Selenium WebDriver support. So this is the main advantage of the Selenium WebDriver, and main disadvantage of the Selenium WebDriver is that it cannot cannot work on the window based application. As we need to work for the Selenium WebDriver, you need some basic knowledge of any language. Either it would be a PHP, Java, it can be any language, but you have the basic knowledge of that language, right? So now times to come to do some practical. So I will open my Eclipse and will show you all the things by how Selenium WebDriver work by launching Firefox and just creating a small test script. So let me open Eclipse. Now I'm going to create a Java project for this demo. New Java project, demo WebDriver 2. Next, this is src. Yes, I want to use this src. Now click on finish. Right, now I will create a folder which have a lib folder in which I put Selenium WebDriver to jar file, this, and I just copy this jar file from here to here. Right, now I will go to the build path. So guys, I have already discussed all these things in my previous previous video, how we can configure build path, how can we download jar file, Selenium WebDriver jar file. If you do not watch this that video, please go and watch that video so you can easily understand what I am doing. Right, now I am going to add Selenium server standalone jar 2.5 jar file to my project. Now I have already configure my Selenium WebDriver with Eclipse. Now I'm going to create a package. As we already discussed, to work in Java we have to create a package. Then I have to work com.automation learning, right? Click on finish. So we have created uh, one our first package. Now we will get first class is a first ff launch. So here I'm not going use to test ng. I will discuss test ng in further video, upcoming video. So here I'm using Java to run our code using Java. This is a public static void main. I have click on finish, right? Now the concept are coming. What is a Selenium WebDriver and what is how we can use Selenium WebDriver using Java. So first using I'm going to my test script would run like first it invoke launch ff, navigate google.com, search Selenium, right? So this would be my script. I have to write the code to launch ff, then navigate to google.com and then search Selenium, right? So first I'm going to create a WebDriver. How it? So this is a web driver. So guys, you can see that WebDriver is an interface. This I shows you the interface, right? So when I implement, I just give a driver and this. So you can see that this is a interface and this is come from this package. So you can guys also see these things. Just go to the go to the package explorer and go to the Selenium WebDriver jar file which we have import. Open this and go to org open qa Selenium, which is at bottom here something like this is org open ca and this is a WebDriver. So this is a WebDriver, right? This. So you can see this is an interface WebDriver, right? So I already explained interface. What is an interface? In interface we have only the method which have the declaration but not a implementation. So you can see this all the method which is close, get page response, get title, get current url, navigate to the back, forward. All these interface are here. Manage time. This only the declaration, not a implementation, right? So this is an interface which I already discussed with you. The guys who do not watch my that video, please go and watch that video so you can easily understand. Now this is a WebDriver and I am showing you the WebDriver. Now I'm creating a method which is known as public void launch ff. This is a method and now I'm going to invoke Firefox. It's a driver new Firefox driver this. So when we write this is a Selenium driver is interface. This is important, guys. You have to understand what is this, because in mostly interview the interviewer give you this code and will tell you that okay, explain this code to me. So you have to understand what is this. So WebDriver is interface. We have create any reference variable for this driver, and it is an interface, and Firefox driver is a class in which all the Firefox method are showing. So what is this, where are these put? This is put on org, OpenQS, Selenium, Firefox driver. So we are in here, org, Selenium, then there is a Firefox. Give me a moment, I will search org Selenium and Firefox, and this is a Firefox driver, right? So here all the methods are right. So in Selenium WebDriver interface there is only implementation. Firefox driver there is a in Selenium WebDriver there is only declaration, but in Firefox driver there is a method declaration. So we have called this method here, right? So hope you understand this and understand this what I am trying to say. So Firefox driver is class, right? And WebDriver is an interface. Firefox is a class, and here we create a object of by this. So this object contains WebDriver and a Firefox driver, and by using this we can call all the method, right? Now by this line my Firefox driver is launched. So I will show you, please give me a moment. It's first I have to create an object. Obj is equal to new, right? And obj is to launch ff. When I run this, and just okay, no problem. When I run this, then my Firefox browser will invoke. So I have run my test cases, and please stay with me. It will open soon. It's like this. This is what I'm talking. So this line is going to invoke my Firefox driver, right? Where is a WebDriver is an interface, and Firefox driver is a class. In class all the method declaration is in Firefox driver all the method are declared, right? So now we have go to driver dot manage. Here I have created an object. Now I'm calling the method. It's a driver dot manage. You can see manage gives me our options. So we have options. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. By this line we can maximize the window. So some interviewer will are also ask what is the return type of manage, what is the return type of window. So you can find here manage has a options return type. It provides me a options, right? Suppose I am going to write this. Now ob dot I have to call window dot maximize. Here I create a object of the options. Here I have the options variable. This is a variable name and reference variable, and this is a code for the maximize. See, these both line are doing the same and this single line are doing the same. So you have to understand what is a driver, what is a manage is a method which returns options, what is a window, and window also return options, and what is a maximize is a method which is used to maximize the window, right, our browser screen. So let me delete this, and now navigate, open the URL for this driver dot get. By using get we can open the URL, and URL is http www.google.com, and now I will give implicit weight to the driver. So what is the implicit weight and explicit weight? So I will explain in upcoming video, but till now implicit weight is like that weight which can synchronize my test script with the application, so that if the element is does not present under DOM, so the implicit weight which I have given here, my test script will wait at that moment or till that time before failing the test script. So this is a driver dot manage dot timeout dot implicit weight. I will give 30 seconds, and time unit is second, this, right. So here we have launched the driver, we have opened the URL, we set the implicit weight. Now I'm going to search. So public void search keyword string text. So guys, I have created a method with the parameterization, which means which have the argument, string argument, and we pass that string text, and we pass the string text, and we give to the method what keyword we have to search. So now I'm going to find out this driver dot find element. Find element is the method, basically it is a method to find the web element on the page, and till now you can understand this. By using find element we can find out the element which we want to work on it. So find by element. Now I'm show you how I can find the element for the search page. I have to search this. I am pressing Ctrl F12. Give me a moment. Yes. Now I have to click on element, Here I am using a Chrome to find the element, but in future video I will show how I can find the element by using Firebug, Firepath, all these things, right? So click on here and this, and it will show me the name. So I will identify this text field by using a name, and the value of that is q. So this is a driver dot find element by dot name, and value of that is q. And after that, send keys would be my text, right? So this method has a one argument text, and we have to pass this value of text from here. These are search keyword, and here I will pass selenium keyword, right? So guys, now I will run this code and see what would be the result, right? Run as Java. First it will invoke Firefox browser, then go to the URL www.google.com, then enter q selenium keyword in search in Google search. You have seen that Google has been open, and now it is loading because there is some internet issue. Now this enter selenium. This is my all the test script which I have to do. So guys, you can see that we have created an object for the class and call that method. Here this method we have give the selenium, and selenium goes to this text, and this text goes to this. So WebDriver is an interface, I already do, and the Firefox Driver is a class. For maximize we can use this code. For the open URL we can use this code. We also set the implicit weight, we add the implicit weight. For the to work any web element, we have to identify that web element. So find element is a method which is used to find the web element, and we have to tell the web find element how we can find that element. We are finding that element by name, and we give the value. Then this is a send keys are method which is responsible for the enter the text into input field. So we have entered the text and we pass this text from here. So guys, this is for this video. By you have you seen by this video you have learned that how we invoke the Firefox browser, and what is the interface, and WebDriver is interface. All these things you have learned. If you have any query, any suggestion, please comment me or mail me. And if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.